2007 Acura MDX. Change the engine filter, cabin filter, save your money. Don't give it to the dealer. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So to start off, let's give you guys some part numbers. PTC. This is the engine air filter. Cabin filter, we're using Wix. Wix is the brand, and there's the part number. I don't want to touch it because my gloves are kind of dirty, so let's put this baby to the side. Anything for inside, I don't want to touch because I got my hands a little dirty. Gloves, pop open the hood. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the engine air filter. So there's number 8 right here. So this is your air filter housing right here. Over time, these will jam up. They will free play inside. That's okay. If they break, there's nothing you could do. Just put on, like you see this one broke, so we'll put on a tap screw. Even 3 will do it for you. But now I need to get this guy off and I'll be right back. So there's not much you could do once these seize up, but you do need to lock them up. There's one back over here. Let's see right there. So over time, these bolts seize up, the nut and bolt, and they won't turn. Once they turn, they will snap. But if you do your filters regularly, that shouldn't occur. There you go. This is the filter. Let's see the condition of it. Not so bad, but I already had told the customer once I open this guy up, we're gonna replace it, and he's good for a few years. That's gotta go. So let's lift this up. If there's any dirt and debris in it, remove it. But other than that, take your filter, stick it back in there, just like that. The filter goes in, and all we need to do is lock this baby up. So like I said, 3 screws are fine. Don't go crazy either. You will snap them as you turn them. You just don't want to leave this duck housing open. And there's one back there. So I am going to put a small little screw right through here. Even a sheetrock screw will work, but that's something you're not going to see. But even if I leave it open loose like that, it's fine. It's tucked in. So we're going to move on to the cabin filter, but take care of that if you need to, if you want to. I'm going to take off my gloves and we're going to go inside. So going inside this baby. It's locked. Let's unlock it. And right behind the glove box is your cabin filter. So what we're gonna do is, see this little guy? This is already hanging in there, but you're supposed to go down on this little guy. This little tab comes off just like that, and then you should be able to take this guy. But this plunger is already loose in there for some reason. But anyways, all this stuff is gonna fall, but that's fine if it falls. Customer just have too much stuff in there. So what I'm gonna try to do is, I'm gonna try to take this manual book. What the hell? Anyways, right here's your cabin filter housing. So it has an arrow airflow is going down, and this is not gonna look so pretty. So usually this is the one that no one ever comes. So you don't want those leaves to fall inside down there. Whatever you can get, you see these, if they fall in there, they will make noises inside your blower motor. You can even put your hand in there, try to clear everything out. But let's take this baby outside and switch out the filter. This is what this guy looked like, and we're gonna simply just sit right here. Let's grab this filter. I don't want to make a mess of it, and just push from the bottom, and this guy comes off. That's that. So let's go sit right here. Let's not put this on the floor. So airflow, okay, airflow is down. So remember, there's openings, there's little slots here. So these little guy, if you try to get this hard side that way, it won't work. It won't work. So you gotta go edge to edge. It sits perfectly, so there's no air escaping. This is done. Airflow is down. Every 15,000 miles you should change both of these, regardless they're good or bad. But take this, stick it in, and lock it up. That's how simple that is. Let me gather everything here, and then I'm going to show you guys how to close up this little guy. Okay, so this little plunger is broken from inside. I tried to repair it, but it's all gone. The whole system is gone. So push this up. The glove box should close. You take your little clip here. Make sure you clip this on so this thing just snaps right in. And you clip it on. That's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. 20 minutes can save you good 80-90 bucks. And that's it. Put everything back and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.